What's the meaning of ayes? Ayes? Ayes?
Eyes. Eyes. Ayes usually refers to the affirmative votes or the people who voted in favor of something in a parliamentary setting. The term is commonly used in the context of a vote that has been taken, where members say either "aye," meaning yes, or "no," to indicate their choice. The word ayes is often heard in political discussions, especially in the United Kingdom and other Commonwealth countries. It is an important indicator of the outcome of a vote, as it tells us how many people supported the motion being debated.